Ball ba yan?
Mag-reply sa ate Kidna. Pag ayoko kasi maglabas ng pera na pag 70 ko invite ko na eh.
Ito nga, sasabihin ko, tinanong ko nga, tatayaan ba yan? Sabi niya, wala.
Para pwede
Lalaro
sana.
lang.
Pwede yun eh. Kunyari pag nag-claim ako na, claim tayo na. Dalawa pa tayo na. Kaso, magluluwag ako sa 70 na.
Saka mo na ako invite pagka ano na. Pag malaki na yung nakukuha mo talaga.
Ewan ko ano ba siya yun na.
Wala kaya ka. Kaso, lang isa-isa na nga lang yung pusa. Pinalagstad mo pa.
Pasok mo pa to.
Ayun o, yung anak ni Grega.
Ay, pasok mo pa to dun.
Ay, isa-isa na nga lang, pinalagstad mo pa.
Pasok mo pa to dun.
Sa antok na ako, si ano, nasa punang ko.
Si Ampon na, nandun kanina na yan, natutulog. Hindi ka makakatulog eh pag nanganganak na si ano no.
Kaya ka. Kaya nga hindi ko inaalis sa unang ko para ano.
Alam niyo dun sa nilatag niyang gift? Eh, yung
Tuta lang ang inilalagay.
ay, hindi ba siya? Kala ko dun sa mga anak na.
Tuta lang.
Ay, dyan naman may kumadro na natin na eh. Si Lola Bebe.
Sabi!
Nakakalit ka na naman. Naglalaro ka lang yung problema sa'yo. Pag naglalaro yun, nababad trip ka eh. Tara, higa ka na. Ay, sa natin, higaan pagpaga natin. Tara, lagyan ko na ng gamot yung ano mo. Huwag ka na umawak ng pusa, pwede. For the rest of my life. Saka, Tara. Tara. Ito ka na, lalagyan mo ito kayo sa pin. Sa kapal? Oo. Pwede, wag mo nang kakot-kotin to ha. Higa ka na nang. Wala nga tayong regalo sa teacher mo, no? Saan ba mahilig si teacher mo? Ay, bigyan mo na lang siya chocolate. Mahilig sa chocolate si ma'am. Chocolate na lang bigyan natin sa kanya.
Yung gray humble?
Okay. Wala rin diaper mo. Mga anak na si Enang. For the rest of my life.
Ay! No!
Mga anak na si Enang. Baka mabangga sugat mo. Baka mabangga sugat mo ha. Iyak ka na naman.
Nalolo ko na. Sarpan pa.
Pau? For the rest of my life.
That's right. Today we're taking the mod a little bit further. It's like a mod of a mod. We just did the baby RDB mod, and he is adorable. He's got crazy powers. But I wanted to see how he would interact with every other baby. Baby Huggy Wuggy, baby Kiss Missy, okay, baby Outtake, baby Toy. So Cocosco has updated the mod to allow baby RDB to have new powers to interact with babies. It's gonna be really fun. I'm excited. But he said there is one issue. He was telling me that in Pocket Playtime Chapter 4, they deleted a plugin that added fur to characters. So apparently, all of the babies are bald now. So I'm kind of excited to see. I feel like they're gonna look so strange. Let's summon them. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna summon them. I made this giant area. It took me like an hour and a half to do it, and it doesn't even look that good. It's kind of sad. It looks like the outside of like a really sad, boring school. Because this is all I had, and it looks okay. Come on, right? And you're probably noticing right now. You're like, Netflix, why is the video so long? Well, today we are making this movie episode. We're gonna include every single baby episode, so you can just relax. You can eat your food. Right? Are you eating right now? What is that you're eating? Is that chips? Is that one of you guys is eating a bowl of soup. Somebody's there like, what? Sit back and relax. Today is gonna be every single episode, so you can just chill and see all the powers. Without further ado, I gotta see what these all the new babies look like. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Actually, not too bad, but I can definitely see. Oh my gosh, he looks so strange. He looks so concerned. He's like, what? He's kind of like, yeah, the plug-in for the hair is like completely gone, so I don't know. We can make up a story for it. Like, in order to come to this part of the factory, Joey was like, no. We have perfectly clean hair. They might have lice or something. Jason, I can't help but be like,
Mukha ka na.
bald.
On the floor. Make it floor.
And he started running over.
Kamukha kita. Payag ka, magkamukha tayo. Siyempre, mama mo. Lugi ka pa. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Bakit? Sino kamukha mo?
Ikaw.
O, ikaw, Beng, ba't ka maganda? Sino kamukha mo, Beng?
Papa.
Oh!
Joke lang.
Ikaw, sino kamukha mo? Mama, papa. Sino kamukha mo?
Ako daw.
Sino kamukha? Mama, papa.
Wala.
Masama ang ulo mo, iyak ka. Tapos, wait. Wait! Wait, sige. Sakal ka sa akin. Love you. Malagot mo. Alcohol, kuya. And I hold you tight. Tara kamay mo. Punasan mo yan, bawal may laway. Punas!